Hello guys, I'm Chef Edwin and we are here with Compare Foods and we got some exciting news for you. Would you like to get a chance to win a $50 gift card? Well, it's very simple. Just stay tuned and I will show you how to win that $50 gift card. Today, we are making some Brigadeiros, a typical Brazilian dessert, which are chocolate fudge balls. This can be a very fun activity for your kids or family. The recipe will be given for you to follow. And here are some of the ingredients you will need. And remember, all these items can be purchased at any Compare Food location. The ingredients are unsalted butter, cacao powder, sweetened condensed milk, and let's make it fun. You can add any kind of sprinkles, or you can even add coconut, toasted pecans, you name it, just be creative. For this part, just make sure you stir this properly to get the perfect consistency. Before you transfer the chocolate, make sure you grease your plate with a little bit of butter. Alright guys, now we're gonna let it rest this for 15 minutes up to an hour. Quick tip, make sure you put a little bit of butter on your hands when you're gonna roll the fudge balls. This will make the process easy. Now, to win your $50 gift card, you must post 3 photos of your final product on Instagram page. And remember, make sure you tag Compare Foods and Edwin's Organics on each photo. You must at least have one of the following photos on your post. Show your ingredients purchased at any Compare Food location, show your recipe, and show your final product. I highly recommend you to share your photo on Instagram stories. This could be a very fun thing to do. Also, mention must be posted by February 15th of 2021, and the winner will be announced on Monday, February 25th. Good luck, guys!